Welcome everyone. Today we dive into automation. No, not the kind that makes your coffee, but the kind that powers IT operations. Ansible is fantastic, but how do we ensure our roles don't break things? That's where Molecule comes in. Think of it as the safety harness for your Ansible playbook. It tests before your scripts run wild in production. Let's explore how Molecule makes life easy. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13 plus years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Imagine sending code into production without testing. Sounds like a recipe for disaster, right? Molecule is here to save us from that chaos. It runs tests in different environments, ensuring our playbooks behave themselves. With Docker, Vagrant, or even cloud providers, Molecule provides flexibility. In short, it's like a babysitter for our Ansible roles, keeping them in check before they cause trouble. Why should we test our Ansible roles? Well, deploying broken automation scripts is like giving a toddler an open paint can, messy and unpredictable. Molecule helps us prevent deployment disasters by automating tests and working seamlessly with CI/CD pipelines. Plus, it ensures our scripts behave across different environments, making our lives so much easier. Let's face it, debugging tests can be frustrating. But don't worry, I'm here to make it easier. First, recognize common failures and what causes them. Then make logging your best friend. Detailed output helps pinpoint issues. Molecule comes equipped with powerful debugging tools, so use them to your advantage. Finally, a few best practices go a long way in keeping troubleshooting smooth. Stick with me, and your tests will behave better than my Wi-Fi on a good day. Molecule lets you pick different drivers, and while Docker is the favorite, it's not the only option. First, understand which drivers are available. If you're using Docker, setting it up correctly is key for reliable tests. But sometimes, other drivers might fit your needs better. Choose wisely. With the right driver, your tests run smoother than a freshly brewed cup of coffee. And who doesn't want that? Good testing isn't just about running commands. It's an art. Start with well-structured test scenarios so your tests don't resemble a tangled headphone cable. Keep environments clean and repeatable to avoid unexpected hiccups. Optimize execution because nobody likes tests that take longer than a lunch break. And finally, comprehensive logs will save you from late-night debugging marathons. Follow these best practices, and Molecule testing will feel almost effortless. CI/CD and Molecule sounds like a power duo, right? Start by configuring Molecule in your pipeline. Automation ensures tests run consistently without manual headaches. But what if tests fail? Don't panic, handle failures smartly and keep the pipeline resilient. Finally, make sure integration is scalable, because growth shouldn't mean chaos. With a solid setup, your pipeline runs like a well-oiled machine. Want to take your Molecule testing to the next level? First, explore custom plugins. They can tailor tests to your needs. Advanced configurations let you define complex scenarios without losing your sanity. Better reporting ensures you actually understand test results, because raw logs aren't fun. And with Molecule's flexibility, you can shape it for unique testing needs. Think of it like customizing your car, but instead of a spoiler, you get solid test coverage. We've covered a lot: debugging, drivers, best practices, CI/CD, and advanced features. You're practically a Molecule pro now. To dive deeper, check out additional resources. Most importantly, start applying best practices right away. They make a difference. Remember, testing isn't just about finding bugs. It's about building confidence. So go forth, debug smartly, automate wisely, and test like a rock star. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.